Hello, in today's video, I will discuss how to add ChatGPT to WordPress website. First, go to plugin section and install plugin. Add new. The plugin name is GPT. And second one, GPT AI Power Complete AI Pack. Install now. After the plugin is installed, we will generate an API key from ChatGPT official website. Now click the skip and go to get your API key. I have already generated the API key and you will create your API key by clicking the create new secret key. Okay, and in the video description box I will provide the link to the official website of ChatGPT. Now go to ChatGPT section. And here you customize custom text, AI name, the this, and you AI thinking is typing or type, and welcome message is how can I help you, style, background color, next font color, text fill background, button color. Okay, refresh the page and here more option we customize context, logs, token heading, etc. First we copy this source code, copy, first save, and go to wizard section, our theme, and paste here shortcode left default sidebar. Okay, and add text or paragraph. Chatbot update and refresh the website. Chatbot Devjit, how can I help you? Type a message, hello, and typing, hi again, what can I do for you? Type what is website development. This way you can add ChatGPT in your WordPress website. Thank you.